Hi there and welcome back to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I've been helping you to learn each of the 44 English sounds. One of the sounds that we're going to be learning as part of this is today's sound, and that sound is the. That sound again? The. The sound the is found in words like the, this and that. Those words again? The, this and that. The sound the is a long the, and it's known as a voiced and a dental fricative sound. What this means is that we create the sound the by taking a large amount of air and passing it through the mouth through a narrow passage. I'm going to show you that really slowly. The. So we start by looking a little bit silly. Stick that tongue out. Put the teeth onto the top of it, the top teeth. La, 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 like that. And you push that air through the mouth and you're making that sound. Ready? To make it open. The. 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 And those words again? The. This. That. Those words again? The. This. And that. The words the, this and that all have the sound at the beginning. Words like brother and southern have the sound in the middle. Words like with and smooth have the sound at the end. Can you think of any more? If not, don't worry, keep practicing those that I've just shown you. I'll see you next time for another new word and another new sound. You keep on practicing and don't forget you're going to be an English pro in no time. See you next time. Bye.